Okay, let's do a few examples on adding or subtracting several unlike fractions, and the directions tell us add or subtract. So we're going to do a subtraction one first. Okay, 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3. Now we got to find the lowest common denominator between the three fractions. So we have 3, 4, 8. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, so 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 6 is 24, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. So our lowest common denominator between the three numbers is 24. So we put 24 as our new denominator. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 1 times 8 is 8. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 1 times 6 is 6. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So 7 times 3 is 21. So we subtract 21 minus 6 and then the 8. So first let's subtract 21 minus 6. That gives us 15. And then we subtract 15 minus 8, which gives us 7. So our final answer would be 7 over 24. So that would be our final answer to this problem. Okay, let's do another example when we add three fractions. So we have, let's see our second example, 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus the 2/3. And we got to find the lowest common denominator between the three fractions. So we have 5, 10, and 3. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 6 is 30. 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30. So the lowest common denominator between the three denominators is 30. So our new denominator would be 30 for these three fractions. 3 goes into 30 10 times. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 goes into 30 3 times. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 goes into 30 6 times. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 1 times 6 is 6. We add these up. We add 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Plus the 20 gives us 29. So it would be 29 over 30. And 20, you can't reduce that or simplify anymore. So our final answer to this problem would be 29 over 30. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?